In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock any app on your Android device, because sometimes you might actually just need your privacy, especially if you are the type of person that normally give out your phone to your friend or maybe your family. In such a situation, you are going to need limitations because you don't want them accessing your private stuff like your photos or your chats. So on this video, I'm going to give you guys a solution for that. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now simply start by going to your Play Store, and then once you've gotten here, search for app lock sailing lab. Once you search for it, as usual, a lot of apps are going to appear. So you need to look for this specific one. You can see it, app lock, lock apps and password, sailing lab, focus on security. So this is the exact app, and you can see that it has 100 million downloads. So all you have to do is just click on it and install this app to your device. Now once installed, simply open your app and then wait for it to load up. So once it's done loading up, it's going to ask you for a pattern. So insert any pattern that you know you are not going to forget. Then confirm your pattern. Now it's going to ask you for a lucky number. So this lucky number is just like a number that you'll be able to use to get access to this app if you are to forget your pattern or your password. So I'm going to put a lucky number, which will be, let me say, 2626. So that will be my lucky number. Then click on done. Once you've gotten in here, then the next thing you need to do is to unselect all the apps that are in here, because obviously you don't want to lock all these apps. So you have to unselect all the apps and then select the apps that you want to like lock. So for this video, I'm going to be locking my Telegram app. So once you've selected the apps that you want to lock, click on one tap lock. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you for 3 permissions. So I'm going to show you guys how to activate them. So click on the first one and then just look for app lock and turn it on. Then click on the second one. It's going to take you to your settings. Same thing, just look for app lock, turn it on. Then once you click on the third one, it's going to ask you deny or allow. Click on allow. So once you've done this, normally it's going to show you this premium stuff, 3 days free trial. So just click this cancel icon at the top left corner and then cancel it again. Now you're going to see app lock. Click on it. So normally it's going to play an ad. So all you have to do is just wait for the ad to finish playing and then cancel the ads, and it's going to open up the interface. Alright, now the interface is fully opened. As you can see, Telegram is locked. You can see it's over there. So if you want to unlock it, it's very easy. You just have to click on the lock icon and it's going to unlock. So let me show you guys that it's working now. So once I open my menu and I click on Telegram, you see that it's going to ask me to draw my pattern or to insert my fingerprint. And once I do any of that, it's going to open my Telegram app. So this is the best way for you to actually get that done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that is it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.